Shalom and welcome to 2 Minutes of Torah. This year is entitled Har Habayit number 35, Analysis of the Height of the Temple Mount Platform. The Temple Mount Platform is known in Halacha as the Ramah, which literally means the height. On this Ramah, on this platform, which is massive, several dunim, several acres, is of course the most notable structure, which is the Dome of the Rock. What's fascinating is the height of this Ramah, of the platform. The height is approximately 3.5 meters. Why is that a fascinating amount? Because as one goes from east to west, one is traveling from the Ezrat Nashim to the Ezrat Yisrael. And the Mishnah writes that the Ezrat Yisrael is 15 steps up from the Ezrat Nashim. And each step is a half an amah, which means that the 15 steps together is 7.5 amot. Now, how big is an amah? So an amah is 6 tfachim, 6 fist sizes. And a fist size is how big? Well, it depends. Rav Chaim Ne'eh holds a fist is approximately 8 centimeters. The Chazon Ish holds a fist is 10 centimeters. We're going to avoid the technical measurements and just approximate for now. It's about, 6 tfachim, which is an amah. So we're talking about, assuming it's approximately 9 or 10. So it's about 10 times 6 is 60. According to Hamikdash, it's going to be less, 50. So it's approximately 50 centimeters, a half of a meter, is an amah, and the height is 7.5 amot. And each amah is about half a meter, which brings us to what? Approximately 3.5 meters. So it's fascinating possibility that when you go from Ezrat Nashim to Ezrat Yisrael, which is the beginning of the Azara section, you're going up about 3.5 meters. And that is the height of the Ramah today, of the platform today. And there are those that want to say, and it's brought down in Har Habayit and other Sfarim, that this is very matim to assume that the Temple Mount, that the platform that we have today, the raised platform, that's the Ezrat Yisrael, which begins the Azar area. You go from the Ezrat Nashim, which is a much lower level physically and in terms of halachically, the level of Kedusha. You go up physically 3.5 meters or 15 amot, or 15 steps, which is 7.5 amot. And that Ezrat Yisrael is the Azara area, which leads to the Ezrat Kohanim. And then you get closer to the Mizbeach, the Ulam, the Heichal, and the Kodesh Kodashim. So those that want to say that the platform is the Ezrat Yisrael and the Azara area, base it on the concept. One of the ideas that it's based on is the fact that the measurements work out very nicely. We're going to explore more of the measurements in Mishnah Midot and compare them to the heights of the various places on the Har Habayit in the next shiurim. Shalom.